Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And guys, look at this, a big mama soursop. Look, can you see how big it is, guys? Oh, this is about a 8 to 10 pound soursop. I bought it, it cost me $29, guys. Anyhow, so this is a soursop. Yeah, and you know soursop packed with lots of antioxidants. It's a superfood. And if you're from Jamaica, you know you can make lots of juice, lots of smoothie with soursop. Alright. So guys, this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to take it out. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to freeze some of it. And I'm going to make, number one, I'm going to make some soursop juice. Original, authentic Jamaican soursop juice. Then I'm going to freeze the rest, and then I'm going to make a smoothie with other videos to come, and even I'm gonna add Irish mash in it. Yeah. All right, so let's get into it. I'm gonna cut it in two. Look at the goodness, guys. Ooh, you know me have to taste it first, guys. Wait, I'm gonna tell you if it's sweet. Yes. Yes, guys, it pass. All right, so let's do one half first. So you want to take out the inside, guys. This part is even good too. Every part of the soursop good for your body. All right, if you have some ache, belly ache or tummy ache, or it's good for kids. They always say kids must eat the soursop inside. All right, so basically what you want to do, you want to take your fingers and you want to peel it off like. Original soursop, Jamaican soursop. So your hand gonna get a little bit messy now. All right, guys, you want to go on in and you want to take out all the seeds. You're gonna, pulp them out. All right, it's okay to get a little bit messy, and you're just gonna break it apart and you're gonna take out all the seeds. Just pulp them out, guys, like that. And you're gonna have this. I'm gonna do the entire thing and then I'll come back. I'm also gonna show you another way you can do it. You can just use a small knife and just to cut it, and it's easier to come out. All right, so if you don't want to make a big mess, so this is what I get, guys, after I pluck out all the seeds. And how you want to preserve this now, guys, I'm gonna go straight ahead. I'm gonna put some in some Ziploc bag and I'm gonna freeze it. And when I'm ready, I'm gonna take out some, make my soursop juice, my soursop smoothie. All right, dig in again with your hands and we're gonna put some in the bag. And when you have it like this, guys, just go ahead and close it. And this is it, guys. You can go ahead and label it, and you want to go ahead and put it in the freezer, and when you're ready, you just take out a little bit. So this is half of the soursop and I still have half. All right, soursop is really healthy for you guys, packed with lots of vitamins, good to lower blood pressure, #1 remedy in fighting cancer cells, diabetes. It's a superfood, guys. All right, superfood. Packed with lots of health benefits, lots of antioxidants. Soursop. Research it. All right, guys.